Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss one most frequently asked question in Python programming interview questions, that is the difference between append function and extend function over a list. So I'll explain it clearly with an example. So first let us take a input list. So I'm just taking an input list. So instead of hard coding, I'll be just calling a list function, and I'm making use of a range function which will take the values between 0 to 10. So which means my list is going to hold the values like between 0 to 9. Okay, so let us run this. So this is my input list. So now comes into picture what exactly is the append function. So when you apply an append function to a list, it adds a single element to the end of the list. So let us do this. Append. So what does this append does? Adds the element to end of the list. Single element. Adds a single element to the end of the list. So let us call this. So this is our input list dot append. So we are going to call the append function. So as these are numeric values, let us pass a 10 as it is already holding 9. So then we can call the similar function for 2-3 times by passing another element 10, 11, 12 and so on. Okay. So this is how we does the append operation. So after you does your append operation, let us just print it for our reference. And before that, we'll just add a simple display. Just for our understanding, we'll just add that list after append operation. Okay, or after calling upon append function. I'll just put like this. Then what exactly is this extend function? So extend function is used to add multiple elements to the list. Okay, so which means we can add another list to this list also. Okay, so let us take list which we are using for extend operation. Okay, so let us take the list is taking the values somewhere between like 15, 16. So our list is holding the values, multiple values 15, 16, 17. So if you want to call upon the function, we just need to input underscore list dot extend. So we are just passing the list underscore extend, and then we'll check what exactly is the output. So we'll just display it. So after extend operation, so let us run it. So when you run the output, your original list is 0 to 9, and after append we appended individually 10, 11 and 12. So these three got added up to the list, and this is the extend operation. So extend operation will add multiple elements, which means we can add a list to that also. So we are taking another list which is holding the multiple elements. We are just using the extend operation method over the list. So this is the final output after the extend method. So as it contains 15, 16, 17, so this 15, 16, 17 got added up to the input underscore list. So finally the conclusion is that append is used to add a single element to the end of a list. Extend is used to add multiple elements to the list. Okay, thank you.